See, I should just be filming this part.
Do it. There we go. We made it. Made it through the wilderness. It's a harsh prairie landscape. Hey, I'm Allysia, the creator of Piano TV, as many of you know. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different over the next couple months. I am recording a music album right away, in fact. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that in today's video, bring you along for the journey, and yeah, you can expect a lot of updates along the way, but stay tuned for that and let's get going. What do you want me to talk to you about?
I don't know. What are we doing these days?
We're recording an album. So kind of on a whim, I decided to call up this old friend of mine named Rob, and I was like, I'm working on some songs. I kind of want to do an album, but I don't know, it's an abstract idea. This guy Rob, who may or may not be behind the camera, said something like, hey, I'm gonna be in your neck of the woods in July. If I'm gonna do an album, it's either in July or it's next year. And who wants to wait till next year? So here we are, recording an album. So the project that I'm working on is going to be a 10-track full-length album. I'm going to be collaborating with some old band members, so me and Michael from the original Criminal Kid group. He does the drumming, I obviously do the singing and the keyboard and stuff like that. We're gonna get in some guest artists as well, so hopefully the guitarist from our previous project will play. And of course, Rob Hillstead, who's helping with the filming and the producing, and the bass player, because he's like apparently super versatile. He might even do like a guitar track or two, I don't know, like there's going to be a lot of variability, and we're recording with a local guy who's super awesome, just a really talented dude named Chris Demas, and that's essentially our crew with some, give or take. It's a really loud plane flying overhead, adding to the ambiance of this conversation. So I joined the Criminal Kid back in 2009, back when they were this really intense hardcore industrial metal band. It was like 4 guys. And they wanted a new vocalist because their current vocalist was shifting. So it was just a bunch of friends that I had known about for a while. And our sound shifted when I joined the band and became the lead vocalist. It became less industrial metal, more just alternative rock style music. And we played a lot of shows. We had a good few years, and we finished everything with an album right before we broke up.
So when you walk into a Zellers, and there's that bin sitting there right at the entranceway with $3 CDs. This album being that bin.
And that album captures our youth. We recorded it when we were about like 25 years old. It's really energetic. It's got this kind of, this almost like childish optimism to it that's going to be very different from this album that I'm working on now, which is a project that's entirely written by me with collaborators. So the vibe is going to be different by default, but it's also more introspective. It's a little bit darker. It's a lot more personal too. My only regret is that it's taken 8 years to do another album. I can't believe that much time has gone by. It was very dramatic. It's like, okay, we're going for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll stay tuned and hang out with me on the journey. I'll be posting YouTube videos along the way, as mentioned before. And you can also come over to Instagram and follow the process. I'll be doing stories and pictures and stuff of more of the day-to-day stuff. And that's the Criminal Kid Music if you're on Instagram. So I hope you'll hang out with me, and we'll talk soon.
What does it say again?
I've been waiting for this moment, which is a Silver Sun Pickups lyric, but also a Phil Collins lyric. Yeah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. In the air tonight.